In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies in Asana. If you've ever needed one task to wait for another before it can start, dependencies are the clean, built-in way to make that relationship clear for everyone on your team. They help prevent work from starting too early, reduce back and forth, and keep timelines accurate. First, open the task that needs to wait for another to finish. Click on that task so its details open in the right-hand pane. You'll be working entirely inside this task pane. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct task, the one that cannot begin until something else is wrapped up. This keeps the direction of the dependency accurate and avoids confusion later. Next, locate the Add Dependencies option in the task pane. Depending on your layout and screen size, you might see a Dependencies field with a small button or an Add Dependencies button directly. It lives among the other task details such as assignee, due date, and custom fields. If your details are collapsed, expand the section so you can see the dependencies field clearly. This is where the link between tasks is created. Now search for and link the task that must be finished first. Start typing the name of that precedent task, and Asana will show matching results from your workspace. Select the correct one to create the connection. Clear, consistent task names make this step faster, so consider including keywords that reflect the deliverable or milestone. If your team uses similar names across projects, glance at the project label that appears in search results to confirm you've picked the right task. Finally, set the direction of the relationship. Choose blocked by if the task you're viewing is waiting on the other task to be completed. Choose blocking if the task you're viewing is the one holding up others. Think of it like traffic. Blocked by means you're at a red light because another car is in front. Blocking means you're the car at the front, stopping the rest. You can toggle between these options if you selected the wrong one initially, and the task pane will update to show the dependency status right away. Once this is set, Asana displays a clear indicator on both tasks, and teammates can see at a glance what's waiting on what. When the precedent task is completed, the dependent task will reflect that it's unblocked, which helps keep momentum without extra check-ins. Use this simple flow whenever you need to clarify order of operations, streamline handoffs, and keep project timelines reliable.